Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. This is Joe from Exploring the Outdoors. We're here at Mammoth Lakes. It's really cold. It's what do you think? It's like a good 48 degrees right now. The weather is expected to get to the low 20s or mid 20s, somewhere around 25 degrees at night. So we brought Mr. Heater, as you can see back there. So hopefully Mr. Heater is going to keep us at least somehow warm throughout the night, because I know it's going to be very cold. And we've encountered very cold weather when we went to Mojave Desert at the New York mountains, and that was very cold. That was about 28 degrees. So tonight should be cooler, or I should say colder, and I'm looking forward to it. I like the cold weather. I know my wife doesn't, so, but we got Mr. Heater. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll continue making some videos of this trip. We'll see you soon. They're actually pretty close. Well, they're gone. Thank goodness. Hi. It's cold.
Yes.
Hey, how's it going? Hi, Neil. Hi guys, this is Joe from Exploring the Outdoors. We're driving back home. We spent 2 nights camping at Twin Lakes campground in Mammoth Lakes with some good friends, which I want to thank Davey, Nate, and Neil and their families for coming down, making the trek, and spending some time with us, doing some hiking and some fun camping. There's also some bears. The 2 nights that we had, there was some bears roaming around the campground area trying to find food. So I know that that's definitely a little bit of a scare for some people. I know it was for us. So anyhow guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have more videos coming soon, and hopefully we'll be making a trek to Utah or Arizona next year. But before that, we're hoping to go to Big Bear, do some primitive camping there, hopefully by December. So thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.